Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to show you very amazing creative styles of crochet pattern ideas. Very useful and interesting collection. Very beautiful collection. In this video we're going to show you, we dive into the world of very beautiful creative world of crochet pattern. And we know that Western woman is very creative. Mexican, Brazilian and Italian women are very creative and love to do craft. They create something different, and these are designs are available on my channel. So this season it's not about just fun and togetherness, it's about something unique, something different. We have to do, make some asset with it, make your own brand, make your own product, because no handmade product will be same. So these type of creativity, you can do your business as well. You can open your business and make some asset and make a video, upload on social media, and purchase some Google ads and something different like that. So after that you have to upload a story behind that, because people wants to buy a story and love to do eco-friendly and handmade products. They loved. So viewers, in this video we are showing you the amazing craft ideas. Video watch till the end, stay tuned with us. We are showing you amazing craft, beautiful, amazing X-Max artistic idea crochet pattern, and very beautiful, easy to use. In this video we show you most amazing ideas and many ideas in all one video. So hope you enjoyed my designs and ideas, and your comments is the power of my channel, and you are commenting on my channel. We are very happy to see that. We're really happy to see that your amazing response. So we are really thankful to you who is commenting on my channel. And in this video we craft an amazing ideas. So hope you enjoy these designs and ideas. We are really very thankful to you, and these designs are very amazing. So hope you enjoy these ideas. Hope you enjoy all this video. These craft